What it do, what it do. It's your boy D.evotion. So we back again with another video, man. And today I kind of wanted to go over something as far as creativity, or how creativity is expressed amongst the music industry. And one of the topics I wanted to talk about was album covers, right? The art of the album cover, right? So I just noticed over the course of maybe the last year or so, the lack of creativity when it comes to album covers. Now, as an individual like myself, I am one to look at, especially when I'm looking at a new artist. So I'm looking at like a newer artist. I never, heard of them before. I never seen them before. I typically like to look at their project covers, their album covers, and if it's not captivating to me, then I tend not to listen. It's very weird. It's not really weird, but it's one of those things where you have to understand that people are going to look before they hear. And when they look, they have to see something that they like, right? Now, granted, it's subjective. The album cover art is subjective, but for me, it's like, okay, if I'm looking at an album cover and it's a Polaroid picture of you next to a car or a street sign or something, that's not really captivating, right? Now, if you want that as your album cover, that's great, fine. But if you can get a little bit more creative with it, now, for example, you have a picture of, you have a Polaroid picture, but the Polaroid picture is, there's a picture of the Polaroid picture of you next to a sign or something, or a car or whatever. That makes it more creative. That turns the whole thing around, right? So with that, I find it that a lot of the album covers that's been coming out over the years, I haven't really been catching my eye. I haven't really been I guess all that creative for me. And it's I don't know, it's just I feel like no one cares about good quality album art anymore. Now, for me, one of my favorite album covers of all time was Kanye West's Graduation album. Let me see if I can pull that up, actually. Let's see if I can pull up the album cover, Kanye West album cover for Graduation, right? I believe that was his third album, right? Here we go. Images. Okay, we'll go with this one, right? That one had something on it. Had something else on it. But all right, now look at this album cover, right? Graduation. It's a teddy bear flying out of the mouth of some Picasso freaking finger art looking thing, with my man's got the cheerleaders up top with the hats in the air, and my man's blasting off into success into the, into the sky. Look at the colors, the art, it's phenomenal. Look at that. It's crazy. And I remember when I got this album and it folded out and it was like this long ass book of just different shit. Like, it was bananas. It was crazy. And we don't have that anymore. We don't have these type of unique album covers that it captivate not only a visual aesthetic, but it lets you know that it's a preview of what you're about to hear. The creativity, the nuance, everything about this particular project is in this cover art, right? So I say that to say, up and coming artist, work on your album art, man. I'm an up and coming artist myself. Not really up and coming, but I dabble into the art, and I'm working on my cover art too. I want to make better cover art. You should too. When people look you up, they want to see cool album art. They want to be like, yo, this album art is crazy. It's fire. And it makes you want to listen to the project. Good album art will make you listen to the project. That has worked with me in the past. If I don't know an artist, but I see good cover art, I'm like, yo, this is probably good. The quality, outstanding. So with that, I say, hey, put in some work on your album art. Nowadays we got AI. You can make whatever album cover you want, but don't just come with the random Instagram picture, throw your name on it, and call that an album cover, man. Come on, y'all. Y'all gotta do better, G. So, I get creative, guys. Get more creative. I'm seeing all these little cover arts of random pictures and things like that, and it doesn't make me want to listen to the music. So that's my little rant for the day. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the boy. More reaction videos are coming soon. I know I haven't been posting the reaction videos of the rappers in different languages and stuff. Those are coming soon. They're coming back. But yeah, man, stay in tune. You dig? Get active. You heard? Man, I'm out, man. Holla at your bush. Donnell Torres, Major Luck Music Media. Stay true, stay heard. I'm out. Yeah.